Chong Yen Yi. As a full-time student, I always have to deal with a lot of assignment, lecture class, co-care, school event, quiz, and so on. As time passed by, my hair became a little bit hollow, and I feel I have a problems of hair fall. However, I found this. It's Pantene Pro V shampoo. So it helps me to fortify my hair fall problems, fights hair falls due to breakage. Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo helps us to strengthen our hair from the roots to the tip. Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo contains pro-vitamin formula that goes beyond cleansing to leave hair stronger and tangled, resulting in less hair fall no matter your hair is still wet or being combed. In the other hand, leave hair stronger from the base to the tip. Regular use gives you 98% less hair fall. No more tears, just great hair. Let's start with a hair fall treatment shampoo. What better way to treat your hair than Protein's Pro Vitamin? Add histidine, an amazing antioxidant that is stronger than other conditioning ingredients. It cleans the outside of your hair and the inside too. No more mineral impurities for you. Just happier hair.